Hi there, fellow greasy people. It's me, Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. It's time to modify my spinny table, because although I love that it can spin, every once in a while I wish it would hold still. I think I'm going to use this bolt instead, because I can drill a hole just big enough for the shaft. This is long enough to drop in, and if I place it right, I can reach under, push up, good catch, grab this and then have it unlock. I might even run like a fancy something to hold it to the table. Tools acquired. I don't know why it took me so long to think of this, but it did. Maybe we'll just call this a prototype. Anyhow, I need to feel for a bolt down here, make sure I'm not hitting anything I don't want to hit. I don't want to hit that. How about... I think that's nice. Okay. Okie dokie. Check it out. I have a hole. Uh-oh. Maybe I shouldn't have been so stingy with the size of the hole. Okay, that's pretty much flush. Now I know where to line it up if I'm not right over the top of it. I think that'll work. Now, if I just had a string. When in doubt, rob the safety supplies. See my thought process there? I just need a little bitty screw. I said a little bitty screw. A little bitty screw acquired. That will work. Oh, I might have an even better idea. When not in use, it can just hang there. I'll call that a success. I think that'll work. Guys, I will take incremental upgrades. Take the wins when you can get them, is what I'm saying. Sometimes they're hard to come by. It warmed up in here nice. I lost my hat. So hey, that's just a little showing of what a guy can do if just figuring it out. I'm not always the best at it, but I try to have fun at it. Incremental wins, you know. If something gets a little bit better, you're that much farther than you were. If you don't do anything, it's not going to get any better. So if you mess it up, it's a learning experience, right? I'm trying to be positive here. Trying to manifest the good thoughts, not be grumpy all the time. Anyhow, As always, if you watched this far, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you think, hey, what about this next time? Or what if you modify this? Leave it in some comments below. I read them, I respond to them, usually pretty quickly.